southeast at 30 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.8. Falling. Clarksdale, cloudy and 57. Jonesboro, light rain and 55. Little Rock, light rain and 56. Once again, at Memphis International Airport, it was cloudy and the temperature was 57 degrees. At 9 a.m. at Memphis International Airport, drizzle was falling. The temperature was 57 degrees. The dew point was 53, making the relative humidity 86%. The wind was southeast at 24 miles an hour, gusting to 32 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.82 inches and falling. At the National Weather Service office in East Memphis, the temperature was 56 degrees. Elsewhere around the region, Jackson, Tennessee, cloudy and 57. Gaithersburg, cloudy and 57. Tupelo, cloudy and 57. Oxford, is and 55. Clarksdale, cloudy and 59. Jonesboro, light rain and 54. Little Rock, light rain and fog and 55. Once again, at Memphis International Airport, drizzle was falling and the temperature was 57 degrees. Here is a weather synopsis for the Mid-South region. Windy and warm today with showers and thunderstorms. Winds may gust to 40 miles per hour at times. A few strong thunderstorms are possible, mainly across North Mississippi. The threat of strong storms as well as wind speeds should diminish overnight. Cooler and dry Friday and Saturday. By Saturday, high temperatures will be mostly in the 40s. Rain is expected to return Saturday night and continue into early next week. Temperatures will... Here is the forecast for the Memphis wind advisory in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Today, windy. Showers and a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-60s. South winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to near 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-40s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Friday, sunny. Highs in the mid-50s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, colder. Mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. North winds around 5 miles an hour. Saturday, partly sunny in the morning. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday night, cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Lows in the upper 30s. Sunday, cloudy with a 40% chance of showers. Highs in the upper 40s. Sunday night, showers likely. Lows in the lower 40s. Chance of rain 70%. The National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee has issued a flood advisory for the Mississippi River at Caruthersville from Wednesday, December 26th until Sunday, December 30th. At 8 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 27.6 feet. Flood stage is 32.0 feet. Forecast, the river will rise to near 30.5 feet Thursday, January 3rd. At 31.0 feet in Arkansas, road and field flooding is widespread at Cottonwood Point. Access roads off Arkansas Route 362 are flooding. In Tennessee, grain shipping facility south of Eloise is mostly underwater. D-Webb Road and Watkins Road are flooding, along with Brady Ridge Road. Barr Road north of Wardlow Pocket area is being covered. The National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee has issued a flood advisory for the Mississippi River at Osceola from Wednesday, December 26th until Sunday, December 30th. At 8 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 23.3 feet. Flood stage is 28.0 feet. Forecast, the river will rise to near 26.0 feet Thursday, January 3rd. At 26.0 feet, in Tennessee, Crutcher Lake Road is flooding near Cold Creek. Cold Creek is going over its south bank onto resort lots just east of Crutcher Lake Road. Water from the lower Fort Adair River is backing into Open Lake. Cold Creek is now flowing south out of Open Lake. Jones Slough is about to back north over Grammar Road. Adams Slough has flooded Sam Taylor Road. Many sloughs are beginning to flood fields. Brandywine Camp begins to go underwater. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK 49 in Memphis. This is a wind advisory for the following counties in Arkansas: Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis, and the following counties in Mississippi: Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica, and the following counties in Tennessee: Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton.